What are wet and dry cooking methods? Wet cooking methods include boiling. Boiling is the process of heating liquid to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. This method is used to quickly cook foods, such as pasta and vegetables. Steaming. Steaming is the process of cooking food with steam. This method is used to cook delicate foods, such as fish and vegetables, without drying them out. Braising. Food is cooked in the oven in a covered container with some stock or liquid covering about 2/3 of the food. Often used for meat, poultry and rice. Poaching. Poaching is the process of cooking food in liquid that is just below boiling temperature. This method is used to cook delicate foods, such as eggs, fish, and fruit. Stewing. Used with many different types of food, stewing involves slowly and gently cooking food in a pan on the hob with a small quantity of liquid. Dry cooking methods include roasting. Roasting is the process of cooking food in an oven at a higher temperature. This method is used to cook tougher foods, such as meats and root vegetables, as the dry heat helps to tenderize the food and bring out its flavor. Baking. Baking is the process of cooking food in an oven at a lower temperature. This method is used to cook delicate foods, such as cakes, breads and pastries. Grilling. Grilling is the process of cooking food over or under direct heat, either on a grill or over an open flame. This method is used to quickly cook thin foods, such as burgers and fish. Microwaving. Food is cooked by microwave rays which cook food from the inside to the outside. Food will not brown or crisp up using this method. Stir-frying. Classed as a dry method as very little oil is used, stir-frying involves quickly stirring small pieces of food in a hot wok over a high heat. Impact on health. Where a method uses the cooking liquid as part of the dish, this reduces the loss of nutrients as it can be consumed as the sauce or gravy. Methods which allow fat to drip away, reduce the fat content of a dish. Wet methods seldom require any additional fat to be added to the dish.